My name is Florian Jung and I'm a professional windsurfer. I've created the Aqua Power Expedition and I want everyone to care. My eyes will be yours. Be part of the journey. It has been always something amazing for me to be in the ocean and to make it part of my daily work. The Aqua Power Expedition is an awareness project of different professional athletes, scientists and environmentalists in order to protect the ocean. I did a surf trip last year in Bali, and after the surf session I was sick for 2 days because the water was just really polluted, and there need to be somebody that takes care of it. And I think we as sport professionals have the power to change things because we are role models for other generations, and we have the power to send out a positive message. Well, the main goal for this expedition is to make people aware of the problem through our eyes, to show really all possible visuals of how the ocean can be in terms of the pollution, in terms of what we experience in the ocean, and how important it is for our daily life.